Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel and to this video. If you like making money online, then stay tuned and let's go. Also, I will be doing a step-to-step guide on how to use prizerebel and bankroll bucks to earn money. Are you looking at the screen? Because here we go. So here's your level. You start off at gold or bronze. You want to get to gold, okay? Because you want automatic prize processing and all the bonuses that come along with that. I see a lot of people viewing my videos, but nobody signing up, okay? You've got to do the work. Watch my videos. It's great. It doesn't put money in your pocket. You can do your daily survey, 75 cents a pop. Tap research is good. Over here you have your daily challenge. Mine's 147 points. That's $1.47. They'll give me 5 cents. If I do that for 5 days, they give me 30 cents. Today's raffle is the Amazon $10 gift card. My reward goal, I have 497 points left to earn my goal. If you click the link down in the description, you will start off with a bonus. Always a good thing. My recommendation for this site is to do your surveys. Your surveys. Are you listening? Do your surveys. You need to do surveys. That's how you're going to earn the most money. You can also do offers, watch videos. You have all this time. Look, 18 minutes, 16 minutes, 32 minutes, 28 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes. This is how I make my money. Your surveys, guys. You following along? Are you looking at your screen? Don't look at your phone. Tap research is good. Go to your offer walls. Run your videos. Guys, I say this over and over, and I see so many people that want to earn points with prizerebel, but they comment on the videos. Guys, let me go to the reward store. Every 100 points is $1, okay? So you're going to go to your reward store. You're going to see cost 2,500 points. Why is that? Because it's a $25 gift card. 2,500 points is $25. So you're going to click on the reward you want. Okay, if you have that many points, it'll tell you you need X amount of points to cash out. Okay, these gift cards, regular gift cards, not PayPal, they save you 75 cents. Okay, you can always set it as your reward goal. You can share your reward that they did pay you. You want to do your surveys, do your offers, do YouTube videos, share your link, give people value. Okay, that's why they sign up with you, because you're giving constant value. So I want you guys to jump on here, do your surveys, do Opinion World, do Taluna, do Tap Research, do Peanut Labs, do some offers in between. If you get sick of being disqualified for surveys, you can make money every day if you work this system. Now, I'm going to show you some cash outs, okay? It's not very much, but I will show you. I'm being transparent. $15 in cash outs. The last time I cashed out was 2 days ago. You see I have 3 cents, okay? Current points, 3. Points earned today, 0. Points earned yesterday, 0. Points earned this month, $12.26. Points earned this year, $44.29. Lifetime points, $466.86. I have 47 referrals. No referral points today, guys. That means you guys are not working this website to make you guys money, because I do not depend on my referrals. Are referral points nice? Yes, but I don't depend on them. Why? Because if your referrals aren't making you money, don't bank on them. Christmas is coming. You need to get on here. You need to work some surveys, work some offers, and make money for Christmas. Okay? I'll show you my referral stats and why referrals don't matter. I have 47 total. I've had 1,629 clicks, okay? 3 total referrals, 0 points for my referrals, 54 clicks. People click all day long, but they never sign up. Why? Because they don't want to do the work. So if you want to earn money today and you want to make some money, then I suggest that you sign up for Bankroll or for Prize Rebel and get to work. Do those surveys so you can cash out. Do those offers so you can buy Thanksgiving and Christmas and birthday and whatever else you want to buy. You can get on here and do the work. Are you listening? Because we're going to go to the second website. Okay, so here's the second website, Bankroll Bucks. I'm going to do a cash out for you guys. You see I have $1.10. Let me refresh this so you don't think that it's fake or made up or whatever, because people think that these pages are automatically generated. Okay, on this website, I have 3 referrals. They are kicking butt. They are getting on here and doing what they have to do and cashing out, and I'm loving it. Okay, that shows me that these videos are very helpful for you guys and that you need to earn some money. Okay, how do I do it? I go to paid to click. Okay, see all these? They're 0.5 cents every time you click. Okay, so you click it, you do whatever they ask, and you wait. It tells you when the points are credited. I do these first. Then I will go to Tap Research or Theorem Reach or Revenue Universe and do some offers. I only usually cash out $1 on this site every day, guys. $1 is the minimum. If you can't get on a site and make $1 per day, that's $365 a year. Okay, come on, do some offers, do some clicks. Come on, you can do it. I want more signups. I want you guys to put in the work. You can do it, especially if you're out of work or you need extra income. Put in some work. If it's 2 hours a day, if you need the money, you're going to do it. So let me go ahead and do this cash out. Also, if you have Bankroll Bucks, click Converter under Withdraw. You have to convert your bankrolls into cash. They don't automatically do that. If you want to keep your bankrolls, then you can cash out gift cards. Again, under Withdraw, go to Converter. Convert your points. Okay? So I'm going to go to PayPal check withdraw. Okay? I'm going to cash this out. And there's a 2% fee. So it'll be $1.08 I'll get. Okay? We're going to hit withdraw. Okay? So I have 0 left, guys. $0 left. I've made $26.19 and I have 3 referrals. If you want to jump on the gang, please do so with the link down in the description. I'll leave both links down in the description so that you can get a bonus. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you need any tips or tricks or you have any questions, please comment down below. Please share the video, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification because I'm coming out with new videos for you guys daily. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful afternoon.